Right, guys, O6 Rebbe back here. I want to read another paragraph out of the Christopher Edmond book for white folks who teach in the hood and the rest of y'all. So this is titled Physical Place and Emotional Space. In the book I quote, "To be in touch with the community, one has to enter into the physical places where the students live and work to be invited into the emotional dating spaces the youth inhabit. The places may be housing projects or overcrowded apartment buildings, but the spaces are what philosopher Kelly Alford described as psychic. They are filled with emotions like fear, anger, and a shared alienation from the norms of school, birthed from experiences both within and outside the school building. The places transcend geography and are more about what is felt by being in a particular location."